This is a 2018 Jeep JL 2-door. We're gonna try and figure out how to replace the latch mechanism on the rear swing gate. We don't know how to do it, so we're gonna learn together. This is the part. It's an OEM part that we got new, but of course they had it banging around in the box with no packaging, so it showed up damaged. So hopefully it still works. So the mechanism's in here, and we think that in order to access it, we have to take this plastic thing off.
Yes. Just pops off.
So that just pops off of there.
Just pops off too.
Oh my god, this thing just will not focus.
So does it.
Yeah, there's the mechanism.
Yeah.
So there's this pink plastic bracket, and it connects to that
Metal linkage.
gray metal linkage.
And then there's another one that connects to this other purple linkage here. In the... There.
Okay,
there.
so those both have to be removed.
And then they just pop out.
Okay, we just discovered that it was easier to remove both those linkages by putting one screw back in, so that the latch wasn't moving around. We were struggling to get this linkage off from the top here, but we discovered that it's easier to get it off at the bottom. So there's this little clip that twists, and it's got this little retaining, clip on it. So I was able to just twist this to one side and pull it out from around this rod, and this rod just slips out. So we'll remove that screw now.
Spiders are in the way.
So we're having a tough time getting it out without undoing these other pigtails.
There we go. Ta-da!
How about we remove this clip first so that we don't have to work right here? Chip is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
I don't see why it's not coming off.
So this plug just comes off. It's a little hard to do, but just press this white thing down, and then the whole plug should just pop off. There's
Great.
a little I don't know what you call that, a nub there, a little nubby that this clips over. This is the old latch mechanism. We need to save this linkage, but it's kind of trapped inside this little plastic clippy. We don't really care about the old purple one because the new one has this orange one. So we might have to mangle it to get it out of there.
Like, not really. I'm just gonna end up mangling this to get it out.
I think there one. It's coming through.
Kind of like
We don't really care about.
twist.
We don't care about the purple thing. We just care about the metal thing. Yeah, there.
Ta-da!
Nice. Not elegant, but effective.
Yeah. It's a Jeep thing.
It was a Jeep thing. I kind of wonder if we should pull the orange thing out of there. And
Put it on here first.
unless you feel like there's a better way, because I feel like putting the metal thing through is going to mangle it.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Prove me wrong.
Ta-da. I think this is upside down. I think this is upside down. So, 2 holes on the top side. And to put the linkage back in, we want this piece pointing perpendicular from the holes.
So, wait, show it the other way again. So, this is the latch mechanism that faces this direction. So when you reinstall this linkage, you have to be sure that the bottom part here is pointing the opposite direction from the latch, because it goes back into that little plastic bracket that points the opposite direction from where the latch mechanism goes. That was a terrible explanation, but
good. It's better than the no explanation that I had for this project. So that explains the little cut.
Mm-hmm.
So this doesn't quite seem right, because it was hooked like this before, but this needs to be going this way. Oh no!
No, that's correct.
Oh,
yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Look at you. You did it right by accident.
I did it right.
I love when I do things right by accident.
All right, let's put this thing in. Move this project.
You've literally been working on it for 10 minutes.
You know what? And then I think the part you missed was this little white piece is supposed to, I think, also snap in.
Does it?
Yeah, it does. Because I pulled it out before.
Oh, okay.
So then it fixes in like that.
Okay, so it snaps back down.
Mm-hmm. It snaps back down. So I think the easiest way is going to be to screw it in first and then try to reassemble the linkage. Get this out of here.
That's how I feel with every Jeep project I attempt. Well, I got it out of here. How do I get it back in?
There it goes. Okay, you kind of have to like angle it around the lock. Do my third bolt.
Yeah, it's in my bucket.
So it just slides into the little hole. Okay. And it snaps. And then this bad boy up here also goes into the little hole and snaps. Ta-da! I don't know what holes they were in, but I don't think it matters.
You don't see it anyway. So before we weren't even hearing the latch move when we hit the button on the remote, and now it seems to be moving. So
Okay, unlocked. Locked.
perfect. Success. Yeah, just give her a smack. Smack it. Good job.